me how I wear my hair wraps. And by a few of you, I mean like 4 of y'all. So I hope you guys get a chance to check this out and enjoy it. And let me know if you have any questions about it. It's really not that hard. There's a million ways you can do this. This is just what works for me. So usually, first thing I do is I put on a do-rag or some type of wig cap just to kind of make sure that my hair texture isn't showing through the scarf, but I don't have one right now. So we're gonna go ahead and do it without. So I take my scarf that I have from the Wrap Life. I have a few of their scarves. No coupon code, so don't ask me. But I fuck with you though. I take it, and it's not folded in half. It's usually not this wrinkled, but since I had already worn it earlier, it's got some wrinkles in it. So I take it, and I just bring it all the way around my head, just like this. Make sure it comes all the way down to the nape of my neck, you know. Try to cover up my kitchen as best as possible, just like this. Then I take my other scarf that's also from the Wrap Life. And if you have hair or a pineapple or a puff that you can bring forward, then you can just use that. I do not, so I use this to give the illusion that I am not bald under here. So this is my own version of a hatfish or whatever you want to call it. So I tuck that up in there. Then I take my 2 strings and I just tie them into each other, because that's what's going to give us the rest of our bam. See that? See that? This is just imagine that this is your hair. Like this is a puff right there. If you can see that under that other scarf, just tuck it under so you can't see it. All right. Then I take my 2 sides just like this. There you have it. And this is just how I wear my scarf. There's a bunch of other ways you can wear it. This is just what works for me. This is what I like. If you have longer edges or fuller edges, you can always kind of like swoop them out. I've seen some girls like take it back a little bit so you have more edges showing. I know that that's not my strength, so I operate in my strengths. I don't have any edges, so I just kind of bring that as forward as best as possible. Put on some big earrings and handle my business.